Dad.
And the ladies. All right, guys, what do we got going on today?
Jump out the plane.
Little skydiving, man. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
It's 50th.
Yeah, dude, I heard he was 40 earlier. Dude, you are rapidly aging in front of you.
Super well.
Dude, that's insane. All right, man. Well, it looks like a couple of you guys are ready to rock and roll, ready to do this. I think I'm probably ready. Maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we find out, right?
Yeah.
All right, dude. All right, high fives up top. Woohoo! Let's go have some fun. Woo! And that's how we slow it down like we're gonna land. Nice. Up, nice and slow.
Yeah, baby.
Woo, you wanna give it a turn, man. Harder you go, harder you turn. There you go. Give us a right turn, like you turn. Woo, all right. You did it. You just went skydiving. How you feeling?
That was sick, yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Man, the little baby gainer out the plane.
Dude, that was sick. Dude. You
That was
killed
so
it.
sick.
Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Let's go.